be hungry and mad. The three little pigs saw the wolf that day. They slammed their doors and hid away.
Little pig, let me in.
Not by the hair on my chinny chin chin.
And I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow, blow, blow.
Did the hay house go?
Little pigs, let me in.
Not by the hair on our chinny chin chins.
Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow, blow, blow.
Did the stick house go?
Little pigs, let me in.
Not by the hair on our chinny chin chins.
Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow, blow, blow. Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow, blow, blow.
But the bricks surely did not go.
The wolf was at his wits' end, you see. He climbed on the roof, down the brick chimney. He came with his teeth all bared, bared, bared. So the three little pigs got scared. The third little pig lit a log on fire. Smoke started rising higher and higher.
The wolf burned his hairy tail.
Ow, ow, ow!
Then the wolf ran out of town. The two little piggies of hay and sticks learned a lesson all about work and bricks. A hard worked job won't fall, fall, fall to a huff or a puff at all.